How to add audio in Capcut. First, open the Capcut. Click on Import and import video clip. Then if you want to put ad, repeat the same process and import audio in Capcut. Then drag audio into your main timeline. If you wanted to record your own voice, then click on Recording icon. Then you can see your recorded audio is also added to your main timeline. Adjust as your requirements. So that's how you can add audio in Capcut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.